Hi everyone! Welcome to IELTS Listenora, your space to improve English listening and speaking skills. Here, we bring you easy English conversations and stories to help you practice speaking, learn new words, and gain confidence. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started and enjoy learning English together. Sarah, Arif, can I ask you something honest?
Of course.
So, have you ever looked at someone successful and thought, he is just talented, that's why he succeeded. I could never be like him.
Yes, many times, especially when I see people who speak English fluently or who are very confident. I used to think they were born different.
Same here. But as I grew older, I realized something important. Most successful people are not special because of talent, they are special because of consistency.
That's interesting. So you think consistency is more powerful than talent?
Absolutely. Talent can help you start fast, but consistency helps you continue when things become difficult.
That makes sense, because starting something is easy. Continuing is hard.
Exactly. Let me tell you something from my school life. There was a boy in my class who was extremely intelligent. He understood lessons very quickly. Teachers loved him. Everyone thought he would become the top student.
So what happened?
He depended too much on his talent. He didn't study regularly. He didn't practice every day. Before exams, he studied only a little because he believed he was smart enough.
And did he get good results?
At first, yes, but slowly other students started improving. There was another student who was not very smart in the beginning. He asked many questions. He needed extra time to understand lessons, but he studied every single day.
So the second student was consistent.
Yes, and after 1 year, that second student became one of the best in the class. His marks improved dramatically. The talented student was surprised.
That clearly shows something. Hard work with consistency can beat natural talent.
Exactly. And this is not only about studies. It's true in every area of life.
Like what?
Take English speaking, for example. Many people say, I can't speak English. I'm not talented in languages.
Yes, I hear that a lot.
But speaking English is not about talent, it's about practice. If someone speaks for 15 minutes every day, even if they make mistakes, they will improve.
Because repetition builds confidence.
Yes, the first week may feel uncomfortable. The first month may feel difficult. But after 6 months, you will see a huge difference.
The problem is people want fast results.
Exactly. We live in a fast world. We want quick success. But real growth takes time.
So consistency means doing small actions daily even when you don't see results immediately.
Yes. Imagine planting a tree. You plant the seed today. Tomorrow, you don't see a big tree. Does that mean nothing is happening?
No, the roots are growing under the ground.
Exactly. Growth is happening silently. Just because you cannot see progress doesn't mean progress is not happening.
That's a powerful idea.
Let's talk about motivation. Many people say, I'm waiting to feel motivated.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous, because motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel excited, some days you feel lazy.
If you only work when you feel motivated, you will stop very quickly.
Exactly. That's why discipline is more important than motivation.
How would you define discipline?
Discipline means doing what you promised yourself, even when you don't feel like doing it.
That's deep. So if I promise to practice English at 8 p.m. every day, I should do it whether I'm tired or not.
Yes, and when you keep your promise to yourself again and again, your self-confidence increases.
That's true. When I skip my routine, I feel disappointed in myself.
And when you follow your routine, you feel proud.
Let's think about sports. Imagine two cricket players. One has natural speed and talent. The other is average but trains every day.
After a few years, the consistent player will improve his speed, strength, and technique. The talented one may stay at the same level.
Because improvement requires repetition.
Yes, even professional athletes train daily. Even top singers practice daily. Even successful businessmen work consistently.
So success is not about one big action, it's about small daily actions repeated for years.
Exactly. And here's another important point. Consistency builds mental strength.
How?
When you continue working towards your goal, even during bad days, you become stronger mentally. You learn patience.
Patience is very important.
Yes, many people quit too early. They stop at 30% of the journey because they feel tired.
But successful people continue even when it's boring.
Exactly. Success is not always exciting. Most days are normal, repetitive, quiet.
But those quiet days create big results.
Yes, if someone watching this video feels they are not talented, I want to tell them something important.
What would you say?
Don't worry about talent, focus on improvement. Focus on being better than yesterday.
That's a healthy mindset.
Improve just 1% every day. After 1 year, you will not recognize yourself.
That sounds powerful.
Because consistency transforms ordinary people into extraordinary people.
So, in one sentence, what's the main lesson?
Talent may start the race, but consistency wins the race.
I love that.
So, to everyone watching, start small. Choose one habit. Practice daily. Be patient. Don't quit too early.
And remember, slow progress is still progress
Yes, just keep going.
because consistency can change your life.
Absolutely. If this video made you think even a little differently, then this channel is for you.
We don't believe in shortcuts. We believe in real growth.
Every week, we talk about mindset, discipline, English improvement, and self-development.
No magic, no fake motivation, just practical ideas you can actually use.
So, if you truly want to improve yourself step by step,
Then don't just watch this video and leave.
be part of this journey.
Click subscribe and grow with us.
Because this is not just a channel.
Both of us. It's a consistency community.
And remember,
Your future starts with one small decision.
make that decision today.